Good morning, friends. This morning elaboration is for everybody. To win to win or to lose depends entirely on you. If you agree, you lose. If you are determined, you you will win. जीतना और हारना आपके ऊपर निर्भर है. यदि आपने मान लिया तो हार गए, ठान लिया तो समझो जीत गए. मान लिया तो हार गए, ठान लिया तो समझो जीत गए. No matter how high the goal is, but the paths are always below your feet. मंजिल चाहे जितनी ही ऊंची हो, रास्ते हमेशा अपने पैरों के नीचे ही होते हैं. Remember always, मंजिलें जितनी भी ऊंची हो, लेकिन रास्ते हमेशा अपने पैरों के नीचे होते हैं. What does it mean? You should never accept that you will never win. You will always win. Winning and losing entirely depends upon your willpower, your determination, your dedication, your hard work. See, there are innumerable stories about winning and losing. Robert Bruce was a king, he got defeated 1,000 times. But when he saw a spider, striving hard to climb the ceiling of the wall, several times he fell, but eventually he climbed. That really inspired Robert Bruce, and he fought the 1,000th time. Last but not the least, he eventually won the battle. So, had he really not been inspired with these, idea, he would never have won the battle. So what I am trying to emphasize upon, that winning or losing depends entirely on your willpower, your determination. Patience and perseverance can overcome mountain. If you are really patient and if you have perseverance and if you go on working hard, remember, nobody can stop you from winning. By winning, what I mean, if you have determined to achieve something in your life, definitely you will have to work hard. You will have to devote your time. You have to start with 0 and you have to go on 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter how long it takes, but definitely you will reach the milestone. See, the milestone may look little bit higher. The goal may appear higher, but everyone has to walk. The path is just below our feet. We have to stride walking on the path of success, and therefore it is on entirely in our hand whether we take it as a victory or as a defeat. Once we are determined that we will have our milestone reached, nobody can stop you. Take the risk that you will really be happy, and if you are not taking risks, you will definitely lose. Never believe in incomplete knowledge or incomplete work, because incomplete work or incomplete knowledge is just half-filled pot, which which often spills out, and it makes a lot of noise. It doesn't work. Half-filled water, half-filled pot with water makes a lot of noise, but it doesn't work. It spills out. That is the reason why whenever you start working on your mission, never leave anything incomplete. Complete your knowledge, complete your skill, complete your task. And how will you complete your task? Make a planning, make a strategy to work every day, part by part. If you finish one part, it is one victory. Celebrate it. Every small achievement is to be celebrated. Never lose heart. Even someday if you are not achieving what you have decided, then the next day you will achieve it. Keep striving. There are innumerable examples where average students have come out with flying colors in many of the competitive exams only by virtue of hard work and continuous striving. See, continuity in work is the key to success. If you are not continuing your work, suppose you are working and in between you are disappointed. No, there is no need to disappoint. No matter how difficult a task may appear, but ultimately it has to be solved. When you are determined to do something, doesn't matter. See what happens. The light then illuminates when it burns like fire. Similarly, the more you rub yourself, the more you'll get. The more you work, the more perfection will come in you. And you know, if you are working hard and really wholeheartedly, if you are determined to do something, nothing will stop you. Remember, labor never goes in vain. Toiling hard ultimately brings you to a path where you will have a positive mind, and positive mind will do anything, a miracle. If you are crazy of achieving success, if you are crazy of reaching the milestone, nothing will stop you from all the hurdles that will come on the path will be resolved. And it is you who will decide how to overcome the hurdles. It is you who will decide whether to win or to lose. So winning and losing entirely depends upon you. यदि आपने मान लिया तो हार गए, और ठान लिया तो समझो जीत गए. So never, I mean, agree, always disagree that I will never lose and I will win. And if you are determined, then patience and perseverance can really overcome mountains. Friends, success comes sooner or later to those who really toil hard. So there is nothing to disappoint. There are innumerable examples of, reaching the milestone after a lot of hurdles. But eventually what counts is the success. Victory is always celebrated. Nobody asks and nobody counts how many soldiers were killed on the way of fighting the war. They only, celebrate the victory. They never bother about how many hurdles you have covered, how many, how many pains you have undergone. Ultimately, people will count your victory, your win, not your hurdles. Therefore, friends, never, surrender to the circumstances. Try to fight against it, and sooner or later, success will crown you and you will become the winner. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.